Want to earn $100 a day online with just a laptop and internet? I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools helping people make real money in 2025. These tools require no tech skills and no big investment, just smart execution. Tool 1. ChatGPT for freelance writing. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, emails, add copy, and more. Create a Fiverr or Upwork profile and offer AI-powered writing services. Many freelancers are earning $100 to $300 per day using this strategy. Tool 2. Pictory for faceless YouTube videos. Pictory converts your scripts into high-quality faceless videos. Start a YouTube channel around trending topics like finance, AI, or motivation. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, and digital products. Tool 3. Copy. RE for affiliate marketing. Copy. RE helps you write engaging product reviews and landing pages. Promote affiliate links using your blog, emails, or social media. Just a few sales per day can easily bring in $100 or more. Tool 4. Durable AI for website creation. Build professional websites in minutes using Durable AI. Offer website creation services to small businesses for $100 to $500 per project. Many people are scaling this as a full-time online business. Tool 5. Leonardo AI for selling art and designs. Leonardo AI generates unique digital art and print designs. Sell your art on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Redbubble. Artists are making passive income by uploading just a few designs a week. These AI tools are like money-making machines in 2025, but only if you use them wisely. So take action, try one today, and scale from there. For more AI income hacks, subscribe to Smart Money Moves and hit the like button.